Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make conditioner for your hair. This is my personal hair conditioner that I'm using for me and for my daughter. To make this conditioner, I'm going to use 50% of aloe vera juice, cosmetic aloe vera juice. I'm going to use 50% of this, and then I'm going to use another 50% of distilled water. That's 50-50. Depending on your recipe. So this is the aloe vera juice, is a cosmetic aloe vera juice. So I'll be using a 5% of BTMS 50. You can use up to 10% depending on your liquids. Now I am boiling it on a very low heat to make sure the BTMS melts. So before it will melt completely, I also use my stick blender to help it fasten. So now I'm going to blend till it's smooth. I'll be using shea butter. You can use up to 2% of shea butter, or you use any light carrier oil of your choice. Blend to smooth, add your extract. This is chamomile extract. So I've added mine. So I'm going to stick blend till it's smooth. So now I removed it from the stove and I'm going to add the BTMS stick blend. Sometimes when you stick blend, it begins to loosen the thickness. I put it in the fire and let it thicken again. So this is my EDTA. It's a shallot powder that will help the extract to sustain for a very long time. So I'm going to I've added my hydrolyzed wheat, and then I'm still blending. I added silk and I added grape seed extract as well. So you see, I went back to the heat and I allowed it to thicken again, and that's it. You can add your fragrance and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. See you soon.